I got a lot of food. Oh, you tried to get the mic. Here we go. What is that? What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to yet another video. Before we get into today's video, by the way, mystery box, nothing gets better. A little special word from today's sponsor. And then, you know, I'll see you back here and we're gonna make an absolute banger. Hey, today's video is sponsored by Keeps. You know, I saw my audience was all the way from ages 15 all the way to 75 plus, so I said this could be a perfect promotion. Did you know 2 out of 3 guys will actually experience some form of male pattern baldness by the time they're 35 years old? Now, the best thing to prevent hair loss is doing something while you still got hair. See that? Yep. Hair. Keeps offers scientifically proven treatments that can combat the symptoms of hair loss. You also don't need to go broke to avoid going bald. Keeps offers generic versions of the only 2 FDA-approved hair loss products out there. Some of you may have tried them before, but never for this price. Wow! Now what I'm trying to say here is you used to have to go to the doctors to get your prescription for hair loss. With Keeps, you can visit a doctor online and everything gets shipped right to your doorstep. Now, hair loss prevention is key, and it can take up to 4 to 6 and even a little bit more months to even see any sort of results. The sooner you start using Keeps, the more hair you'll save. Now listen, don't be like my pops. Look at him. If you're ready to take action and prevent hair loss, go to keeps.com/Paul Cuffaro or click the links down below to receive 50% off your first order. Thanks to Keeps.com for sponsoring today's video. Now head to Keeps.com/Paul Cuffaro, top link in the description to get 50% off your first hair loss treatment. I feel like I'm here every single day, honestly, at this point, but yep. A couple bags of pig food, some goat food, some cow food, some hay, and we'll be good. Oh, waterfowl too. Now we gotta go to a different store, the hay and the rest of the pig food, because they didn't have enough here. I feel like this place never has enough. I got a lot of food, a lot more than normal. Put this up. Now we gotta put 4 things of hay. I got 2 TNAs and 2 alfalfas. 2 alfalfas are for the cows, and the 2 TNAs for the goats. I'm about to put it in your enclosure in about 3 seconds. When they run out of hay, they are just ready to eat hay. Look at them. Lunatics, man. Tropical paradise treats. So cool, they literally mark off like what's in the bag. We have bananas, sweet potato, apple, strawberries, chicken, sardines. Super cool. She's been DMing Taylor for the last like couple of days, and she wanted to send us these cool treats that she makes. Her name is Sabrina. She's 19, from Puerto Rico, small business, and she's a big fan of the channel. She started this small business so that she could save up money to go to vet school, and it's called Tropical Paradise Treats. So if you guys want to check it out, that's the @ on Instagram. Sabrina, thank you so much for sending all this stuff. It's super dope, and it's all natural. So we're gonna feed the animals real quick all these goodies right here before we get into all that. There you go. Want some apples? Oh my gosh, wow, okay. You ate all those apples. Oh my, oh my. I think they like them. Potato? That's a potato, Bubba. Here's some apples. Oh wow, okay. Here you go, guys. Piece of potato. Who wants that? Yep, roots again. What about this? You're grunting in my face. Eat it. Thanks for the food, Sabrina. Appreciate it. Little girl's eating too now, huh? Look at him just chowing. He's rubbing his head all up in it. So I'm actually gonna bring these over, you know, under there like I normally do. Dude, y'all poop like everywhere. There's just landmines, cow patties. I mean, literally everywhere you look. You're looking good and thick, girl. Much better than she did. She's finally starting to grow some real hair. First things first, gotta get this TNA out of here. Ugh, waterfowl. That's a little heavier than I thought. What do you think, these SpongeBob arms will get this bag out from the back? Oh, absolutely not. The form of gravity will, though. All right, it has been a while. Silence. That's all it takes. A little bit of food. Kevin, coming in. Pig's bin, filled. Goat's bin, filled. Waterfowl bin, filled. Right, Gary? Full? Nope, okay. I gotta get the cow stuff into the little shed over here, as well as the leftover corn we got. We got the 2 things of TNA. We're gonna get both of these under the house inside the goat area. All the goats are eating already. All the pigs are eating over here. The little ducklings eating over here. Big pigs eating over there. Everyone's eating right now. Lots of hay for them. But I gotta put it inside the house, because typically I put it in the house, and as you can see, as they eat it down, it'll just become like a bedding. Guinea hen. What up, guinea hen? Hey, dude, my feet are so hot. The sand is that hot. And then from the last batch, you just left with the strings. That's how I do it around here. This time of year with this weather, you want to make sure the pigs have water in their mud pit, because they like to coat themselves in mud in order to stay cool. So that's one thing you gotta make sure. Every pig has fresh water every morning throughout the whole entire day. Okay, now that all the animals have gotten food, hay, everything they need, I'm gonna roll into today's video title and thumbnail. We got a mystery box for the saltwater tank. Complete mystery. Again, mystery, I have no idea. I'm gonna send you over to the shop where Tommy actually picked the box up, then dropped it to my house. You'll see the whole thing go down. Enjoy the video, and we'll see you right here in just a second.
Hey Paul, at Aquarium Shop now. That mystery box from ORA just came in. So gonna load that up in the truck and we'll bring it out to you. But check out these acros that Andy got in. So Paul, these are wild colonies, but you're getting some nice aquacultured SPS corals, kind of similar to these. I think you're really gonna like them.
Well, back at you with another saltwater video, except for this time I got John with me. Typically you and Tommy show up, but yeah, this is a mystery box. I'm sure you saw by the title and thumbnail, it's a legit mystery box. I don't know what's inside it. This thing is super precious, and I hope there's something good inside. This is from ORA, so ORA, shout out to you. I'm not even sure if this is something they sell, but this is cool as hell. We're gonna open it up. We're getting right to it here. Saltwater mystery box. I'm assuming there's gonna be corals, maybe, whoop, maybe some fish. Look at this packaging. Nice little ORA sticker.
Hey, left you a note.
PC left me a note. Okay, let's open this. This is cool. This is really dope. Nice little whale lettering. Thank you so much, ORA. I was expecting like a letter, but this is dope. I'm gonna keep this. Put that right there. Now, satisfying. Oh yeah. There we go. ORA is now a part of, next to the aquarium shop, Andy's place. Helpers of making this tank what it is today, and of course Tommy. Tommy, you're gonna get a Tanknician sticker.
Yeah, we do gotta get a Tanknician sticker.
Let's get it on there. Anyway, yes, inside this bag is all the goodies. Oh my goodness. I've got the bag. I mean, we're really getting right to it here. I'm assuming it's just all corals.
I think so.
We're gonna have to go one by one. Alright, numero uno. That's a fish. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what the heck that thing is. But there's the name. Striped blenny. That's a super simple name. It's just like the harptail blennies we have in the tank right now. There's that. There's one. I didn't know there was going to be fish. Number 2. Another striped blenny. Another striped blenny. We'll get closer looks on these fish in just a little bit here. Put that one in. What if they're every single one of them?
That's how I was like 2 in a row. That can't be great.
Another striped blenny. I'm not kidding.
Oh
Look.
My gosh.
Striped blenny. What if the whole bag is striped blenny? No, this is cool though. I don't think they're all. There's gonna be corals. I see different stuff right now actually. So something really cool about this next one I'm about to grab. I'm gonna flash back the footage. I remember there was actually a woman that was cutting corals and it looks similar to this one. I could be totally wrong and it might not be the exact same coral. This is a pink bird. The back might be a better angle.
There you go.
Super cool, really cool, and it's got its little plug here. I might even just put all these in the sand until Tommy comes and he could pick a place in the tank where we can glue them. John nods yes, so we'll do that. Not even gonna try the scientific word. But anyway, yes, it's dope coral, and I love how this stuff is gifted. Thank you ORA for making this video possible and giving me a mystery box. We still got a couple more bags. And shout out to John behind the camera. Thanks for filming, man.
Yeah, no problem.
We got another coral, a peach digitata.
Show me the backside of it.
The backside of it's probably better, yeah. It's like a more stem-like, kind of like the one we have up top there on the tank. Similar to that coral right there, but you got the urchin right here holding a bunch of rocks. See, they're cool. We have 2 of those in here. We just kind of rarely see. Some stuff hides more than others. On to the next bag. Let's see what we got. Last bag, and it's a coral. Here we go. That's super fun. Send me another one. I'm just kidding. Oh, that's beautiful, dude. Maybe get under some white light.
Other colors are not.
Green Stylophora is what it says the name is. See the little green spots? Can you catch it on cam? Green Stylophora. Green Stylophora. Stylophora. Gosh, these names, man. All right, and into the tank that goes. We let everything acclimate. So all this stuff that we just received is from ORA. They grow everything, they produce everything themselves, and that is why we don't have to even dip the corals into something like as if I was to get it from Andy's place or another fish store. We usually dip the coral, make sure nothing comes off of it. In this case, it's all aquacultured. We don't have to touch anything. We literally just put it in, acclimate, obviously the fish more than the corals, and then take them out, put them in the sand, the corals, and we're gonna put the fish, obviously, right into the tank. They're gonna swim around. And we got 3 striped blennies. I'm excited. Let me show you what a harptail blenny looks like though. So this right here on the top, we have like 3 or 4 of them, is a harptail blenny. Super cool looking fish. As you know, we got a couple different fish. I love when this guy backs into his hole. You just gotta scare him. See him? Right into his hole. I have a question for you though. What's your favorite coral that we have gotten this entire aquarium? Now if you've been watching, you know what we have, but just to give you like a brief kind of moving shot of everything I could see, or at least right here, I think the frog spawn is my favorite. I mean, if you look really closely, that is just the prettiest thing ever. I don't know, there's a lot of different corals, but let me know down below. Tripod here, hey. We're gonna start off with 1 blenny, and then go to 2 blenny, and then go to 3 blenny. Let's do it. I love getting new fish for the saltwater tank. It's the funnest thing ever. We've had a whole lot of it lately. There he is up there in the front. Oh, there's our other new fish that we got the last video. Look at that. And there's his wife. They're always together. You know what I love about getting stuff from ORA though? You don't gotta worry about anything. You don't gotta worry about the fish being sick, or this or that, or even getting the water from their tank into your tank. Doesn't matter. All right, time to get all 3 of our corals into the tank. You can see it a lot better under this lighting. And sorry for the overflow, just screaming at us the whole time. All right, all 3 are in the tank at the bottom. 3 days later, 3. And here's our couple corals down at the bottom. They look great, they honestly do. They got the plugs just buried in the ground for now. We're gonna put them somewhere up on the rocks along with all the other ones, probably on the other side, somewhere over here. But yeah, our fish are right there. Striped blennies, see them? The little spot they like to stay is like over there, right under that coral. 1's up there, 2 right here. If y'all wanna see more mystery stuff, I can go online and look at mystery boxes for like the freshwater stuff as well. Let me know. I think it'd be a really cool idea. Remember, 30,000 likes, and we're gonna put sand in the pond outside. Look at that bass. 30,000, fellas. This whole thing's gonna be sand. From the little baby snapping turtle and myself, thank you so much for watching today's video. Oh, and that's the big snapping turtle. Hit the subscribe button or he will bite you. I'm not kidding, I gotta watch my hands on the camera here. The nail scratching my hand, I won't lie, that does not feel good. Oh, he's mad. Oh, you tried to get the mic. All right, we're gonna put you back in your spot, bud. There you go, there you go. Hit the subscribe button if you have not done so already. And I will hopefully see you back here in the next video. Peace out. Shut up, tank.